how to clear my activity feed on Clubhouse. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I will show you if whether or not it's possible for you to clear your activity feed on Clubhouse. So the first step is to log into your Clubhouse account. And then once you are logged in, you must note that there is no way to clear your activity feed on Clubhouse. This is because the activity feed shows what your friends have been up to on Clubhouse. And currently, Clubhouse doesn't provide an option to clear it. So the only option would be for you to delete the ones that you can delete and then just move on, right? This is the activity feed, okay? This is the activity feed. So you cannot clear this. There are no options to do that. All right, so that is it. Thank you for watching and have a good day. All right, you can just write a request to the customer support asking them to add this feature, but for now it is not allowed. Thank you very much and see you in the next video.